slightly unusual start to a small adventures, but we're starting in zoology because Mattia has some stuff to do with his mites. He does experiments on mites, and I'm quite stressed at the moment. End of PhD feelings, looking for a job, but also I'm really struggling with some coding and some data analysis. I'm just tense, I'm tired, but I have taken this as an opportunity to come in and do a little bit of coding or run some code that's going to take a couple of days to run while Mattia's doing stuff in the lab. And then we are off on a small adventure, which I am so looking forward to, just to get out and get some fresh air, because I have been working some long hours this week, and yeah, it's just going to be good to get out. That was just bread. Creamy inside. Oh no, it's not. It's expired. Oh, I'm like almost a bit disappointed now. I thought it was like I had a cream layer, but I've already been dipping my finger in it. Oh, that was good. That's amazing. The sponge is really light. I was only going to have one bite, but now I'm going to have two. We're at RSPB Fowlsheugh, and in the summer one of my favourite things to do is come and look at the seabird cliffs. And at the moment on the cliffs behind us we've got razorbills, we've got guillemots, we've got kittiwakes, and then we've got some other little things as well, like rock pipits, and we've got some herring gulls. But definitely the most important things there are the kittiwakes, which you can hear saying their own name. So they've gone very quiet now, but they say like a kittiwake sound. And then also you have razorbills and guillemots. So razorbills and guillemots are a little bit like puffins, so they're less favourite of the auks, I guess. Razorbills are black and they have this like white pattern along their bills, and then guillemots are a chocolate brown and they have a straight bill, but they're very similar. And one of the things that I really like to do up here is look for bridled guillemots, and you get bridled guillemots all around the country, but the further north you get, the more likely you are to see a bridled guillemot. And these are guillemots with these white rings around their eyes and like a flick of white eyeliner. They're really pretty, and it's always really fun to like scan a cliff face and finally find one. So yeah, I think we're going to sit here for quite a while and just watch the birds, because I really love it here. us home, we saw 6 bridled guillemots and 1 guillemot sat on an egg, and it was Mattia that saw the first couple of bridled guillemots and the one with an egg. So if you need anyone to do any seabird surveys, he is your man. Seabird extraordinaire. But no, it was great, loved it. So when we go back home, I am gonna spend the whole evening playing No Man's Sky. So quite different to today.
It takes 2.
And it takes 2. So we've been playing a co-op game about a couple that wants a divorce, and the premise of the game is you complete challenges together until I guess you fall back in love. But it's super fun. So I think No Man's Sky, dinner, then another chapter of It Takes Two. So that's our evening.